here heading to one of our apartments here in Mesquite. We're doing our annual inspection of all the units. So not everybody does this, but I highly recommend it. So it does several things, right? We're able to go in, check on the units, see how the residents are treating them, also show the residents that we care, right? We're going in and we're checking if they've got any major issues that we haven't taken care of. Is there anything that they're not happy with? At the same time, we're also checking to see how they're treating the apartment. Do they have more pets than what we have in our records? Different things like that. We're able to go in and see if any of the toilets are leaking, if any faucets are leaking. That kind of stuff saves us money as well. So a lot of things we are able to take care of by doing this. We do this to all our apartments. We are meeting our in-house management team, Elevate REM, on site right now. And then we have our Elevate team, CIG, coming in too. So we're teaming up. We're gonna walk all the units, and I'm pulling up right now. The new signage, the place is looking great. I love this sign, not just because it's got Elevate, but just in general. We're also going to check the boilers and make sure that they're being serviced correctly. So yeah, a lot you can accomplish by doing a yearly inspection of the property. Not a lot of operators do it. I highly suggest it.